Please like our video and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you.
Today's work of the construction team now begins. Let's go! Bulldozer. Crane. Excavator.
Kiki, help me! I'm in trouble.
What's happening?
There are so many gems underground, but we don't have the tools. The excavator can dig out all the gems. Can you help us?
No problem. Excavator is on it. Digging. Here is the gem. Let's start digging.
Hey friends, can you see any gems? If yes, please tell me so I can dig them.
Hey, there is one at your left.
Woohoo! All the gems have been dug up. Thank you!
It is just a piece of cake. Construction team, mission accomplished. Bulldozer. Crane. Excavator.
Did you ever see a real bulldozer or crane?
The cart is rusty. Let's fix it. It's a dirty tool head. Change it. It's a dirty tool head. Change it.
Do you know which color this is?
It's purple.
And which color this is?
Red. Blue. Green. Orange. And this is pink.
You are learning very good. Now tell me which is your favorite color. Now let the Kiki go to do his work.
So we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. can I do for you, little bear? I want to build a new house, but I don't have a crane. Can you help me build a house with a crane? No problem, I'll take care of it. The crane is ready. Let's go! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Crane! Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house.
Hey kids, can you see a frog in this park? Let's find it out.
Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house. Let's decorate the house! Let's decorate the house! Let's decorate the house! This house is so beautiful! Thank you for your help. I have a new house now. You're welcome. Construction team, mission accomplished. Bulldozer. Crane.
Move the red switch to raise the cutout.
Bulldozer. Excavator. Oh, there's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through.
Did you ever see a real bulldozer or crane?
Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in!
Okay, friend, now tell me, which is your favorite construction vehicle? The crane, bulldozer, or excavator?
If the amusement park has a Ferris wheel, it would be better. Let's build a Ferris wheel together! Let's push the dirt away and level the ground.
Did you notice any animals passing through? Do you know which animal this was? Tell us the name. Okay, watch again.
make a hole for the Ferris wheel. Now use the crane to build the Ferris wheel. Now use the crane to build the Ferris wheel. Wow! The Ferris wheel is done! It's beautiful! Bulldozer. Excavator. The work of the construction team is all done! Let's call it a day! Examine the luggage. Dangerous items are not gasoline. Fruit knife. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you.